Introduction to perfect push-up form.
The push-up is a classic bodyweight exercise that strengthens your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Mastering proper technique ensures better results and helps prevent injuries. Whether you're a beginner or want to refine your form, understanding each step of the push-up is key. Let's break down exactly how to perform a standard push-up with ideal form.
Setting up your body position.
Start by lying face down on the floor. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Position your feet together or slightly apart for balance. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core, glutes, and legs to keep your hips from sagging or sticking up.
Executing the push-up the descent.
Begin the push-up by slowly bending your elbows. Lower your body toward the floor in a controlled motion, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your sides. Your chest should almost touch the ground. Keep your head neutral. Don't tuck your chin or crane your neck. Focus on maintaining a straight body without letting your hips drop or your back arch.
Pressing up with perfect technique.
Push through your palms to return to the starting position. Extend your arms fully, but avoid locking your elbows. Continue to engage your core and glutes to maintain body alignment. Breathe out as you press up. Repeat the movement for your desired number of repetitions, prioritizing form over speed.
Common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Watch out for common errors, such as flaring your elbows or letting your hips sag. These mistakes can reduce the effectiveness of the exercise and increase injury risk. Always maintain a straight line from head to heels. Keep your movements controlled and focus on quality over quantity. Practicing these tips will help you get the most from your push-up routine.
Conclusion. Building strength safely.
By following these step-by-step tips, you'll master the perfect push-up. This will help you build muscle, improve endurance, and reduce your chances of injury. Remember, proper form is key. Take your time, progress gradually, and enjoy the benefits of this foundational bodyweight exercise.